Alright, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. Let's go to the next step. This is a mini series, and when I say mini, the videos are very short. If you like what you see, please subscribe and click the like button. So we have to take off the trim around the door, so the frame. As you can see, this is pretty substantial framing here, and trim. And so here's what we see. Just keep in mind that our house is 103 or so years old or more. And so here's the paper they put on underneath the cedar. I've replaced cedar around the house at various times, which I may end up doing now in this area. So you can see here is the door attached to this piece here, okay, which is this piece here, and I'm going to then have to reframe this, I suppose, for my new 30-inch door to go in here. Again, once again, this door here is a couple inches shorter than 30 inches, 29.5 or 3/4, something like this. All right, so how do you get this old trim off? So what I did was first of all, what you're going to want to do is score the sides where the paint is. You can see if you don't, what happens. Okay, in this case, this is caulking that I put on. At any rate, yeah, it'll minimize how much paint is going to come off your house, so you don't have to put it back on again. All right, and then I took the chisel and big hammer, and I pounded in from top to bottom. And then I took this S-wing here, I'm not sponsored by this company, and I went in, and then I pulled in this direction. It's very good to leverage your tool like this. I don't know, the pry bar, wonder bar, whatever you're used to hearing. And as you can see, I've got it almost all the way off. So that's this short video. Next we'll be taking off the framing on the inside. Here, it's kind of hard to see at the moment, but it's here. And then the door comes out. Then we'll go to the next video where the door is out, perhaps, and the new door is being prepped to go in.